About Cloud Server and how to back up Cloud Server. Cloud servers are presently highly well liked in the hosting industry and have several advantages. For individuals seeking dependable and traditional hosting, a dedicated server is still a top choice. How to back up Cloud Server. Don't worry, in this article, we will cover it. But before we get to how to back up a cloud server, we want you to know the concept of a cloud server and how it works. Let's get started. About Cloud Server 1. What is Cloud Server? Cloud Server, also known as Cloud VPS, is a virtual server that is comparable to VPS but was created using cloud computing technologies. As a result, Cloud Server gains access to the remarkable benefits of cloud computing technology that VPS or servers cannot. You don't work on a dedicated server when using a cloud server. Multiple data centers house a pool of physical hardware resources from many servers and networks. Your cloud server operates in a distributed computing environment over the Internet as a virtual server, virtualized from a physical pool of server resources. 2. Features and benefits of Cloud Server. Cloud storage. A cloud platform is composed of numerous physical servers that pool their resources together, as seen in the image above. This base group is taken into consideration while building a number of virtual servers, all of which are cloud servers. Hosting on these virtual servers using resources gathered from the underlying physical servers is referred to as cloud hosting. A variety of advantages come with such a service, particularly for companies with varying operational sizes. Ability of extension. A cloud server is simple to design and run because it is essentially a software architecture. Within seconds, you can manually or automatically distribute extra resources or make use of unused resources. Resilience. With an intelligent cloud, there is no single point of failure. The cloud computing model delivers very high availability and resilience when used properly. The cloud is the greatest option for companies that operate continuously and need a dependable solution without disruptions or outages. Pay on the go and on demand. You don't purchase any conventional server provisioning while using the cloud approach. Your needs are met by cloud servers, which give you on-demand infrastructure. Depending on how many resources you use, you pay as you go and only purchase what you require. You are often charged by the hour, week, fortnight, or month by cloud service providers. How to back up Cloud Server 1. Physical server. A software agent in the client is needed to read and gather the data for backup in the most popular technique. Though there are other ways to back up a physical server as well. Following that, the replica is transferred from the software to the backup server through the IP network. Following that, the backup is sent to its final location from the same backup server. To be clear, every file in the backup gets added to the database in case it needs to be restored. 2. Virtual server. The process of backing up a virtual server seems comparable to that of a physical server but is more complicated. If you back up a virtual server using the conventional technique for a physical server, there may be a problem with the backup software's ability to distinguish between the two. Because the backup administrator won't know which physical computer the virtual machine is on, the administrator may decide to schedule numerous backups of the same server. All of the virtual machines that are housed on the server will suffer from this condition's performance impact. Making snapshots. A copy of the virtual machine's disk files at a certain moment in time is the answer to this problem. Both the virtual machine's memory and the disk's file system are preserved via snapshots. The administrator can roll back the recorded snapshot and restore in the event that the backup encounters a problem. Since it ignores the contents of the virtual computer, this strategy in some way renders the software agent that performs the backup blind. As a result, all data, including deleted files and free space, is secure. It is required to identify deleted files and exclude them from backups using data deduplication, active block mapping, and whitespace detection techniques in order to prevent this wasteful data backup. Additionally, providers are now able to create incremental backups of virtual machine images. 3. Cloud Server Backup Services. Enterprise server system data can be backed up to the cloud via cloud backup, guaranteeing that backup data is always available in the event that the primary system fails. Business operations continue unabated in the case of a disaster thanks to the backup system's immediate recovery, which enables data to be quickly transmitted back to the company. We would like to suggest the following 3 efficient cloud data storage services to you. Google Drive. One of the well-liked cloud storage options that many people are familiar with is Google Drive. This service has a wide range of uses and benefits, and is popular. As long as your device has an internet connection, you can utilize this service anytime, anywhere. You may easily store the essential data and files with a capacity of up to 15 gigabytes. The Google Drive service is simple to use, update, and work on, which greatly improves your work efficiency. Additionally, Google Drive storage is quite easy to use. Simply log on to your Google account to view the Google Drive connections. The Google Drive interface will then appear after you log into your Google account. Simply press the My Drive area to upload a folder. You will have a lot of options, including the ability to upload files, folders, and new directories. Dropbox. Because of its effectiveness and simplicity, this cloud data storage service has gradually come to be known by a large number of users. Users of this Dropbox service can store and access data online, and it is compatible with a wide range of systems, including Windows, Mac, Linux. To utilize this service, all you have to do is click and hold the mouse button on the item from your desktop that you want to store, drag it to the Dropbox website, and you can start working on it right away. OneDrive. OneDrive is a popular service that has many users thanks to its useful features and various benefits. With the help of this service, you may access, edit, save, and work immediately on the device, just like you would with a host and VPS, all without having to travel to the workplace. OneDrive is a popular service that has many users thanks to its useful features and various benefits. With the help of this service, you may access, edit, save, and work immediately on the device, just like you would with a host and VPS, all without having to travel to the workplace. Conclusion. Once you have a basic understanding of what a cloud server is, you'll see that the amazing features it offers make it a worthwhile option for enterprises. There are currently a lot of reliable cloud server renting companies available. To achieve the greatest results when utilizing the service, However, it is essential to pick a dependable cloud server rental company with a firm adherence to cloud server specifications. Above